Yo, chat, I just realized it's now after like half an hour of driving, yeah? Bro, this car was in the bottle overnight.
What?
That's how cold it was inside the car. It's ice. There's actually ice in there now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yo, that's fucking crazy. You lot, I felt like, yeah, if I'm gonna go get my windows tinted, it's more respectful if I come with a clean car, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, it just feels like, bro, if I was to go there with just like a dirty car, I'd feel like it's rude.
Bro, from the 30th of December,
Yeah.
I haven't had my car, and look, only yesterday they only got approved to get it fixed.
What, and the whole time you thought like they were fixing it?
Yeah, I thought they was gonna take the max a week or two.
Yeah, but I'm telling you lot, man, if you're driving with snow, be careful, bro.
Be careful on the roads, bro.
Be careful, bro. You don't want to lose your life, your car, your money, your faloose. You don't want to lose your faloose.
Bro, I feel like this year, it's still winter arc, bro. It's still winter arc.
What does winter arc mean for you, bro?
Just be working, bro.
Locking in, grinding.
Locking in.
I hear that, man. Yo,
Bro, where's it coming from?
I don't know.
The tree.
Explain your fit today, bro.
Essentials,
Yeah.
slides,
What they, bro? Don't just say slides. Explain what they are, bro.
Dior slides,
Yeah.
Gucci jacket,
Yeah.
chrome hat.
Yeah. So how much would you say you dropped on your fit today, bro?
I don't know.
Okay. Just a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see your fit.
Alright, cool. Show them the fit. Alright, cool. This is a basic fit, you know, we got the goose on underneath. Adidas sent me this. Shout out to Adidas for sending me that. Jeans are Zara. Shoes, Asics. I would say I dropped about... Man said it's 44, bro.
44 for what?
The time is 11:44, appointment's at 12. It's calm though. What we're gonna do is, yeah, we're gonna go quickly home to get the hot chip, and then we're gonna go straight to our appointment, and then you lot, the magic is gonna happen after the appointment, bro, or during. I don't even know, but we'll see. Yeah, love, man. Hey, what's the rules that we made today? Tell them.
So eat the whole chip. 90 seconds, no drink. What's the price?
Oh wait, and also they have to show proof that they've finished the whole thing,
Holiday, yeah.
and then that's when the timer starts, 90 seconds, and then we'll pay for their whole tank. Like we're gonna go to a petrol station, and then we'll pay for their whole tank. Yeah, I can't, like, hope someone's not got a mad tank, you know. That shouldn't be more than like 70 max.
Yeah, max.
If someone don't finish it, bro, I don't have the heart to tell them, like, I can't lie, bro.
Nah, don't worry, I'll help you, bro.
What, you'll help me tell them no?
Yeah.
Watch me swerve, bend that corner, whoa. Hey, listen, man, we pulled up. Show them. I'm telling you, from what I've seen, bro, this shop looks sick, but we'll see, innit? What'd you think of this shop, bro? Can't lie, this shop is insane, bro. Look at the vehicles here as well, bro. Let me show you. Oh, would you get these? Yeah, would you get that?
Yeah, my car's already like kind of custom plate.
Yeah, nah, they don't tell them, but yeah, your plate's sick. No, but what about like this shape?
The shape, I don't. Yeah, these two shapes are nice. So
Yeah, I like it.
I wouldn't get this. That's a stretch.
Do you know who needs to get them, bro? People that have uruses and that.
Yeah.
Bro, look at this whip here, bro. Oh my, yo. This shop is sick. What about these, bro? Would you get these? Which one do you like the most?
This one still.
Yeah, same. Or I like these ones.
Did you hear that song?
Yeah, nah. Something moving crazy. Yeah, do you mind?
No, it's cool. What
Yeah.
do you do? YouTube?
Yeah, vlogging. Yo, bro. You got play edition, bro.
Bro, tell them play me out FIFA for the tin.
Oh, nah, that's crazy.
I want to get into this year,
Yeah.
yeah? Personal, so obviously we've got a brand here.
Yeah.
We're going to build, our business partner build personal brands, isn't it?
Yeah.
In terms of like, jumping on YouTube, doing day in the life, of like what our day consists of.
Yeah.
People like that.
They do.
People like that, innit? And
Yeah, this shop.
Bro, they love that, yeah.
Brother, I'm from the Asian community, my business partner's black.
Yeah.
So it's like, we're all, our communities here, young boys now,
Yeah.
talk to us, innit? In terms of like, oh, this is sick, we want to do this.
Yeah.
Bro, and as well, look at like, bro, the amount of quality shots you can get in here, bro.
I hate it being on camera, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, I've just got used to it.
Yeah, bro, you just have to, bro. Even me myself, right now, vlogging out in public, bro. It's a lot. Like it's stepping out my comfort zone, but
In the UK, we don't see it as much in it.
100%,
In America, it's kind of norm.
bro. It's the norm.
Like if I see you there out there, yeah, outside now, and you're doing that.
Yeah.
You just want to think, oh, what's this guy doing?
Yeah.
But it's good, bro. What did you on the list? It's got.
Is there like, yeah. Alright, cool. I was thinking,
If
bro.
you start from the back here, so the back basically, you can have any tint you want in it. There's no.
I'm thinking
reality in it.
I don't want to do too much because like I don't want to get stopped and all that.
So maybe just do this one.
Yeah, for the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the back and the front, back 2 doors.
Yeah.
Back half do that, and then the fronts. It depends what you want. By law, obviously, anything you do is illegal in it.
Anything is illegal.
Anything's illegal in there. Full stop. But you can do something light like this.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, you can do something light like this and get away with it.
Yeah. I would say
Or if you want like a bit of privacy, but there's a bit more of a risk, 35 is good as well.
nah. I'm a pussy, bro. I'm gonna say, what do you think, 50 or 70? 50.
Yeah, let's do
50.
50.
Yeah.
And then 20 at the back in it.
Yeah.
Alright, so,
Okay, cool. Damn, I never knew that.
yeah, literally just how it is.
Damn. Hey, this shop is too good.
Just on the key right.
What, like this, like as your dream vehicles? Yeah, this one's crazy. But this one here as well, though.
Yeah. I find like this one's performance. Like,
Yo,
catching this.
this one, bro, is different, bro.
With the seats as well. Yeah.
Oh,
The
bro.
red seats, oh my god, best seats ever.
Best, bro. Nah, this car looks fucking sporty, bro. Before I get one of these like custom ones, I want to get like an actual custom plate because your plate's calm. Like you can actually like do that. Guys, I'm not gonna bait out his plate, but he got blessed with like, you know, the random plates, but he got blessed, bro.
The end is LDN.
Yeah, the end is LDN. Like, bro, do you know how much people actually pay to get LDN in their plate?
So, I asked them, they said they just make you rip it off. But some don't know that it's points or fine.
What, some police officers? Hey, bro, let me pose for a thumbnail, bro. Just in case. What should I do, bro? Wait, you come in the back here, hold this one. And then you're like on that side. Yeah, but come down a bit. And I'm gonna go like, no, come closer. This guy. Wait, come down a bit.
Can't see my...
Excuse me. Would you guys be interested in a challenge where if you eat this, I'll pay for the whole tank of petrol.
What is it?
It's spicy.
Spicy chip.
Yeah.
Oh,
And if you eat it, I'll pay for the whole tank. However much you fill up.
not much. Around 10 pounds, 10, 11 pounds.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
I can do more.
Yeah.
The whole tank. However much it costs to fill up the whole thing. You know?
No, that shapes very
All right, cool.
How fuck is it?
Oh my, no, it shouldn't. I think it's that fuckery that there's gloves in there. Do you want to use the gloves? But think about the full tank though. Think about the full tank.
My friends call me Tank.
Yeah,
My Instagram is Tank versus King. Time to run you over.
yeah.
Woo! Oh my god, what the fuck?
I know.
Alright, cool, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my. Is it bad? "12 seconds in, 15 seconds in. Is it bad? Do you think you're gonna need that drink? To be fair, he's handling it. No reaction, just tanking it. I see why they call you Tank. I see why they call you Tank. What's it like? Describe me, like, how are you feeling?
Whew, how long I left? Not bad.
Nah, he's handling it, to be fair, you lot. He's showing character right here. 30 seconds left. 25, actually. You sure you don't want no milk? You can end it right now. Milk. No. He's got, hold on, you lot. 10 seconds, bro. Nah, he's handled it. He's handled it. He's handled it. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. He's handled it. He's handled it. Soldier. What? Why do you make that look so easy? No, you're good, bro. You're good. You can have the milk now. You own this milk. This is your milk.
It's mine, yeah?
Yeah, this is yours, man. Yo, tanked it. Is it helping?
Okay, cool. Thanks.
That's it. Just found it like that. Is that it? For petrol?
No, what's the ball?
Oh.
Woo!
Wait, do I have to pay? Should I pay that one and then after?
Go on.
Alright, cool. I'll be back.
Give me a sec. One sec. Hold on.
How bad was it though? Be honest. Was it that bad?
Not so bad. If you can't handle pepper, you're fucked.
So did I happen to land on someone that could?
I handle pepper, innit?
Yeah.
I like spicy stuff.
Crazy. Guys, I was not expecting him to just handle it like that. Just sat back, took it all in like it was nothing. Oh yeah, pause, sorry.
Yeah.
Pause, sorry. Why do you think like that, bro? So what, do we have to pay for that first one and then?
I'll pay for the first one.
Alright, cool. Hello, can I pay for pump number 2, please?
Got more picture to put in it. Oh, God. Oh, dear. Okay, not bad. Oh, not bad.
This is the easiest petrol you'll ever get, man.
Easiest picture I've ever got.
Okay, so we already put 31 in there. How much is this gonna go up to?
I think it's another £40.
Another 40 in there. Fairs, man. Now they're gonna think it's not actually as spicy as I said it was. Crazy. Oh my days, no, hold on now. Yo.
Another 30, 40.
Yo. Back we go, man.
That's not even full.
That's not even full.
That's not full.
Hey, he niced us, man, but I'm a man of my word. I said I'll pay. What would you have done if I never paid? I just ran
I
off.
would have just paid. No, you don't want to do that. What, give me the ticket and then run off?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I get all the content I want and just run off.
What's your name?
My name's Babs.
Dominic, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dominic.
Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
Kino.
Nice to meet you, Dominic. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
That's a serious. Hey, Dominic, you have a nice day, man.
No, thank you very much.
No worries. Hey, firstly, bro's handshake was fucking strong.
Bro, I nearly dropped the camera, bro.
Yo, I don't know if you caught it on camera. Bro rocked my whole body when he gave me the handshake. But yo, he firmed that, bro. Hey, shout out to Keenan, you know, because I wasn't going to ask him. But Keenan said, no, ask him. Because I didn't know if he would do it. Do you know what I mean? But like, Fairs, he handled that. Hey, shout out to Dominic, man. But he looks like he's dying out there, boy. Are you sure you're ready for this?
Yeah, go on.
Do you want to put a glove on because it gets spicy, bro?
No, it's alright, it's alright.
You sure you don't want the glove on?
No.
Alright, cool. You're ready to take this?
We'll eat it.
Yeah?
You want me to eat it?
Yes, bro.
Go on, let's go over there. Innit?
Yeah.
Hello,
Quick.
my name is Iman, and I'm here to do the challenge
Yep.
with my boy here. And yeah, let's go.
Whole thing. Yep. Swallowed it. Yeah, he swallowed it. Cool. Timer starts. Not scamming. How do you feel now? Is it
bothered.
Yeah.
Bothered.
Bothered. What does that mean?
It's really like... Is that Scotch bonnet, innit?
Yeah, but it's like, I think it's like 10 of them.
Fucking hell.
Is it hot? How long do you think you've done so far?
10 seconds.
20. You're doing good, bro. You're doing good. Keep going. How you feeling, bro? Let me know. I understand. Trust me. I understand. You can stop this right now with the milk, though. You can stop this right now with the milk. You've done 45, so you got another 45. You can stop this all right now, bro. With this milk. You sure you want to continue? Yeah, okay. No, he's a soldier. Strong man. What are you thinking right now? What's going through your mind?
Thinking how am I gonna get help from this?
Yeah, this milk, bro.
Take the milk right now.
You could take it right now and stop this.
How many seconds?
15 left, bro. 15 seconds left, and you got this.
Never again.
Never again.
Never again.
Never again. All right, cool. 2 seconds. Yeah. Done, bro. He's done it. Take this milk, man. Take this milk quickly. Is it that bad? Hey, be careful. You can keep it. It's yours. Take as much as you need, bro. I know it's bad. And do you know what, bro? You firmed it. I'll go get another 20 for you, bro. Another 20 for you. Yo, check up on my boys. You alright?
What are you saying? We got another chip. You trying to do it again?
No, that'll kill me.
Was it worth it?
Bro, you showed character out there. You showed gut. Yeah. I respect that a lot, man. But never again, yeah?
No.
Never again.
I'm gonna get apple juice, innit?
Yeah. Alright, cool. You enjoy, man. Have a nice day.
Shooters, they strap. I don't need mine. Bro, put a belt right to they behind. The way that switch, I know he dying. 6'7". I just bit right on the highway. I just bit
Also,
right
yeah,
on the highway.
I got a question. Someone told me, yeah, that if you add tints to your car, it adds 50 bhp. Is that true?
Yeah, I think it's about 60 still.
60? Hey, you guys heard it here first, man. If you add tints, yeah, you add about 60 bhp. Damn. Nah, it looks proper good, though. It looks clean. What do you think's next, bro? What's the next thing that we should do to this? Maybe the rims. Because these are baby rims, bro. These are good ute rims. I need maybe black or AMG rims, but I said rims. And, bro, what else? Maybe, dechrome this. You know people dechrome this bit?
And for what? Black?
Yeah. Like, just blackout, bro. Like Batmobile, bro. Dechrome this bit. Actually, nah. Maybe keep that bit. I don't know. Hey, guys, in the comment section, let me know what's the next thing that I should do to this right here. Let me know. But no, I've become a car head. That's crazy, man. Hey, my pockets don't really go that big to become a car head, but give me a reasonable mod to do. You never know, man. You might see it. What's it looking like inside? Let me see. If I go in here. Oh. Wait. What's it? Is it alright? The back. Yo. It makes the ambient light look even better, bro, because it's like darker in here. Shit, man. Looking sick, innit? Okay, fair. Do you know what it is? I got loads of friends that have come here, and I was like, nah, I always said like I'm going to come here as well. So it's like actually coming here and actually getting it done. Sick, though. Here you go. Thank you.
Take it up, you know.
Thank you. Also, can I take one of these?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can take the Lucas one.
Which one? This one or that one?
No, them ones.
Them ones? Thank you. Yeah, this is the one I'm going to be needing. Hey, you lot, man. Yo, this lighting's doing... What the hell? Hey, but you lot, shout out to the guys at Iconics, man. They done a sick job. They even told me a price on the phone. They put me £20 off. Shout out to the guys at Iconics, man. Thank you very much. You lot, if you're from the South London area, hit them up, bro. It's definitely worth it. But
Someone's trying to come in.
Someone's trying to come in? Oh, shit.
I don't even know why I did that, bro. I'm not even a driver.
Well, that's the end of this vlog today. If you guys watched all the way to the end, bro, drop a like. A like, bro?
Yeah, drop a like, comment.
You watched this far, drop a like and comment because it really helps. And yeah, man, appreciate every single one of you that watched it. Love, guys. In a bit.